Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Awish Hafiz bin Muhammad Anwar. My metric number is 25101415. Today I would like to share about the place nature is I love is the forest. It is a peaceful and beautiful place that makes me feel calm and happy whenever I visit it. First of all, the forest helps me reduce stress and clear my mind after a busy day. It teaches me to love and protect nature because forests play an important role in maintaining balance in the environment. Next, the forest is also a very important natural resources for humans. Forests provide oxygen that we need to breathe and help reduce air pollution. Therefore, the existence of forests is very important for human well-being. Besides that, the forest is also a place for reaction and learning. Many people visit forests to relax, camp or take part in outdoor activity such as hiking and jungle trekking. These activities not only improve physical health but also strengthen family and friendship bonds. In conclusion, the forest is a special place in nature that I truly love. It gives me peace, happiness, and valuable lesson about caring for our natural world. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Bye!
Hi, what's up guys? Today I want to share with you about a place in nature that I love, which is the park. My name is Muhammad Jul Aslam bin Muhammad Zaki and my metric number is 25101437. Currently I'm here at the Gua Mustang Park, so let me show you around. Let's go.
Gua Mustang Lake Park is the most popular and largest park in Gua Mustang, located in the southern part of Kelantan. As you can see, this place is very beautiful and has a big lake. Many people and families come here to spend time together. Let's walk with me for a little bit. This park also has beautiful flowers near the lake. In this area, you can see people jogging and a playground for the kids. Oh, and look at this cat. It's just standing there watching everyone go by. So peaceful. It's so noisy here, but that's what makes the place feel so alive. To conclude, this park is a beautiful place where people can relax, enjoy nature, and spend quality time with family and friends.
Hello. Thank you. That's all for me. I hope you enjoyed the short video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.
Hello everyone, my name is Toriwani binti Muhammad Faizal. Today for my ANDROMEDA assignment JUE 100, I would like to talk about a place in nature I love within Yishun Park Lake.
3, 2, 1.
everyone, today I'm here at Vision Park. I'd like to share a short blog of this place and why I really enjoy coming here. Vision Park is a very clean and relaxing park with a beautiful lake. The environment here feels fresh and peaceful, and it's a nice place to escape from a busy or stressful day. I especially like the lake because it's great, a very shooting atmosphere. One thing I like about Vision Park is that it's a good facility. There are wide walking and jogging parks, so it's comfortable for people who want to exercise or just take a slow walk. The park also has open space, beach to sit and relax, clean toilet, and a lot of parking space, which make visiting this place very convenient. Many people come here to walk, jog, take photo, or spend time with family and friends. Personally, I like coming here to relax, clear my mind, and enjoy the natural surrounding. Overall, Vision Park is a great place to relax and enjoy nature. If you are looking for a peaceful park to spend your free time, I will definitely recommend Vision Park. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.
My name is Avrani Muniandi. My matrix number is 25101271. In this vlog, I would like to share about a place in nature that I really enjoy, which is the beach.
Whenever life feels busy, the beach is where I come to breathe, reconnect, and enjoy the little moments with my family. Here, the kids laugh freely, sit together, eat together, and simply enjoying being children. No rush, no screens, just real moments and genuine smiles. Meals feel better with the sea in front of us. Convocations were lighter, and even the simplest moments turn into memories. As the waves keep coming and the day slowly ends, I'm reminded that happiness don't have to be loud or complicated. It lives in these quiet family moments. This is why I love the beach, not just for the view, but for the memories we create together. We enjoy the ocean and create beautiful memories, but the ocean pays the price. Every plastic we throw away ends up somewhere. Choose reusable, reduce waste, and be kinder to the sea and marine life. What we leave behind today becomes tomorrow's problem. Small choices matter. Let's protect our ocean, protect the ocean for our children. Change starts with us.
To conclude, the beach is my favorite place in nature because it's calming, enjoyable, and meaningful to me. It helps me to relax and feel more connected to the nature. Thank you for watching my vlog.
My name is Nur Aisha binti Adnan. My matric number is 2510139.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Nur Aisha binti Adnan. Today I would like to share about a place in nature that I truly love, which is a river. A river is a beautiful place because of the sound of flowing water, the fresh air, and the green scenery around it. Whenever I visit a river, I feel calm and peaceful. Personally, I enjoy spending time there with my family, having a picnic or simply sitting by the river bank to relax. It's a place where I can escape from the stress and connect with nature. Rivers are also very important for our environment and society. They provide water for daily use, support wildlife habitat, and offer recreational activities for people. However, I noticed that some rivers face of music, littering, and wasting. This is something we should all be concerned about because protecting river means protecting our future. But also a vital resource for the community and the environment. I hope everyone can appreciate and take care of our river so that they remain safe and beautiful for generations to come.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Nur Adila binti Adnan. My metric number is 25101310. Today I want to talk about a place in nature that I love. It's a garden.
It is a place where I learn, relax, and enjoy the beauty of nature. The garden is filled with green trees and colorful flowers along with fresh air. Every time I step into the garden, I feel calm and peaceful. I usually go to the garden in the morning. In the morning, the air is very fresh and cool. I can hear the bird chirping and feel the gentle cool morning breeze against my skin. These simple things help me feel grounded and reduce stress after a long day. Garden also a perfect place for picnic. It gives me a break from my daily routine. In some days, I go there to take a walk, do light exercise, or simply sit and enjoy the scenery. Being close to nature helps me feel happier and more positive. To sum it up, natural places like gardens are very important. They help us relax, improve our mental health, and appreciate the beauty of nature. That is why the garden is my favorite place, and I hope future generations will also get to experience the beauty of nature.